is 6:43. Normally I get up way earlier than this, but my sleeping schedule has been so out of whack lately. I went to Dallas last week and I've been staying up till like 3 in the morning, and so sleeping in a little bit later. Last night I stayed up a little bit later, so I try to get at least 6 hours of sleep. 6, hopefully like 8 is what the goal would be, but like at least 6 hours of sleep. I just woke up and I'm gonna start getting ready for the day, so yeah. So I got my makeup on and I got dressed. I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing for the first part of the day. So I'm wearing this olive, even a little bit darker than olive green, cropped sweater that I got from Marshall's. And then I got these gray leggings from Paragon Fitwear. They're super comfortable. And then I got these Adidas socks and my Adidas Ultra Boosts. So that is what I'm going for today. Hello, hello, hello everybody. It is Monday morning. We are doing a day in the life, obviously. I don't normally post videos like this, but because you guys wanted more fun lifestyle videos, here we are. And I've also got a workout towards the end of the video. So it's still fitness related, and I will do more fitness related videos because that's my niche. I love fitness. So that is what I am about. So yeah. Anyway, every day is different than the last, and I tell you guys I'm so busy, especially, you know, like my friends, like I'm so busy, I tell them that all the time, and I feel like you kind of like know that I'm busy, but you don't actually like know that I'm busy. So I hope that this day in the life kind of shows like how actually busy I am and like all the stuff that I do, and just inspires you guys to, you know, get after it and you know, stay busy, because being busy and getting things done makes you feel so good. So yeah, I've got a busy day. I guess every day. Every day's a busy day, but I've got a busy day ahead of me and I can't wait to show you guys along. Andrew's coming over. I take him to school every morning because he's got classes, and even when I don't have classes, I'll still take him to school and I will go to the library. So that's what we do on the weekly. Normally, I would make breakfast and have it with him, or have it to go ready for him. But today, it's just, I called him and he wasn't hungry, so I'm just going to drop him off at school, and then I'm gonna get Starbucks at the library. But normally we cook and have breakfast at the house in the mornings and spend time together. But I'm just gonna go to the library and get some work done because I've got a lot of work to get done today. But yeah, it's Monday. Happy Monday. Monday is actually my favorite day of the week because it's just a fresh start and I have so much to do and get done. So super excited about that, and I will see you guys in a second. Good morning.
That's why you're in the car.
Good morning. Surprise.
Gosh, I would have dressed nicer.
Andrew, tell us about your outfit.
There's no thought. The first things that came to my mind.
First things that came to your mind. We got black joggers, Adidas, a Crooked Creek shirt, and a Chance the Rapper hat.
Yeah.
Beautiful. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's get to school.
This was the first shirt, actually, on top of all my other shirts. This was the first one.
We'll see you later. Bye.
I'm not wearing any deodorant and cologne.
So the library is like way quieter than normal on Monday, and I'm actually kind of liking it because I can get a lot of work done and there's not a lot of people around. I went to Starbucks for breakfast this morning and I got bacon egg bites. I'm a happy girl because I have my bacon egg bites. I love them, they're so good. And I also got a venti hot vanilla latte with coconut milk and only 1 pump of vanilla. I normally do 2, but I'm trying to do less and less each time. So 1 pump of vanilla this time. And I'm going to start working, so. We're at Old Navy because I have a bunch of coupons and Andrew is gonna get some clothes. And we got him this sweater, and I kind of dig it. I kind of like it. It's cute.
Come to the dark side.
This is what I deal with. What's up? So I'm back home, and I should have filmed how I made this, but I made this caprese toast. I think that's how you pronounce it. Caprese. It's C-A-P-R-E-S-E. So I don't know, but on this toast is avocado, and then some basil, and then tomatoes, and then thick Parmesan, oh not Parmesan, thick mozzarella cheese, and then balsamic glaze. So yeah, get in there. That looks amazing. I'm so excited to eat this. That's going to be my lunch. I'm in my bed because I'm about to work on some work. I worked at the library and then went to Old Navy, and now I'm working on some more work that I have. I just posted a workout, so that's awesome. Yeah, so I'm gonna get some more work done and eat my lunch. Alright guys, so I just finished getting some work done for my dad, and I had to post for him and do a bunch of stuff for him. If you don't know, I'm his marketing director, so I do a bunch of work for him. So I was getting some stuff done for work, working on a project that we're working on, and then I also transcribed some more interviews for an interview class. The project was already due, but I'm finishing up the finishing touches on the project. So I just did a bunch of stuff, and now I have to go get ready for work. I also model for Sabi Boutique in College Station. I love my job. I love the people I work with, so I'm really excited to go model with them, but I gotta go get ready right now because I have to leave in 30 minutes. So I'm gonna do my hair and makeup and everything and get ready for modeling. Alright, so I just finished modeling at Sabi, and I picked Andrew up because he was at the front of the gym waiting for me. So we are going to go do cycling. I hope you guys heard that. I hope you could hear that on camera. We're gonna go do cycling, and then we're gonna do back and by and maybe some abs at the end. We'll see. Alright, so Andrew and I are about to do a back and by workout. We are going to record some of it and show you guys, and hopefully you guys can do it. So check it out.
Si, senor.
Got back from the gym. I hope you guys enjoyed that workout that we recorded. I showered and I washed my face. I did not wash my hair because I washed it yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna wait to wash that. I'm about to go make some popcorn and watch some Gossip Girl and get more work done because I am still not done working yet. But yeah, so really looking forward to watching Gossip Girl and eating popcorn and chilling out and getting some more homework done. But it was a good gym session and a good day. So yeah, there's other stuff that I did random throughout the day that I didn't record, but most of it is on here. So I hope you guys enjoyed a day in my life. Definitely subscribe for more videos like this and more fitness related videos as well. Yeah, like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and comment what you liked about this video and what other ideas that you have that you want to see on our channel. And I will see you guys next Sunday. Peace out, Andy and Han.